Good morning, all. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed. That's awesome. I love your comments. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Uh, Somebody wrote that I was coming across weak in the video. I did turn my mic out, so leave me comments if there's still problems. Yeah, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning here on the East Coast, North Carolina. 9-2 already. Man, this year's going by quick. Alright. What I want to get into is what not to do when the storm and why emergency services tell you not to do the things that they tell you to do. And I'm going to show you I've got a video here, and this is from around my area. Live real close to where this video was taken. This video was taken real close to my house when I was telling you all about the water and all that from last year. The gentleman you will be hearing talking is the fire chief in this first video. So let's check that out real quick.
Of the road, stay off of the roads. This is Highway 211 and Dutchman Acres and West Trace. So please heed the warning to the local officials. This is very dangerous water. It's rushing across the road, washing away portions of the road. And this right here is what people are out driving through. And we're having to do water rescues. So we've already rescued 8 people from motor vehicles that have been out driving in water just like this. The problem is, it's hard to get to people when we have to maneuver around trees and power lines that are down and all the obstacles that we're having to go through to get to these people. So I just want you to see what's going on. Stay home. People that have evacuated from Brunswick County do not need to be trying to come back home. It is too early. We are still having rain bands from Hurricane Florence that are coming through. These rain bands are coming through and dumping more water, and when the tides rise, the roads are horrifically flooded. There are trees down, power poles.
Alright, this is definitely what not to do, and this is why I'm playing this video.
I know. So I don't know where these people is coming from. We're going to do a live interview and ask them where they're coming from and where they're going. So look here, coming through rushing water. The thing is, what you need to understand and what you need to do. I don't understand these people. Go that way. You're not y'all. Turn around. See, you got people just like these people up here. They want to drive through this. Please stay home. I'm going to sign off now so I can talk to these folks that are trying to, and bound and determined to drive through rushing water.
Yeah, guys. Once the storm gets done, they're telling you to stay off the roads. There's reasons. And now I'm going to show you. This is from today over at Oak Island. This is last year's video, so don't trip out. Anybody in North Carolina, this is last year's video from the hurricane. After we had all that rain, and then the hurricane came in. First thing, we're going to go to can't find it now. Where'd it go? Oh, here we go. I'm sorry, that was back in August 11th. They had just got a drone, so they're enjoying it. The chance to play with their drone too. But look how far this guy. There's two people out here. Look that they don't have. They don't even have life jackets on. Guys, that's a long way from the shore. Just saying. Alright. People amaze me. And if they seen the sharks that get pulled in around that area, yeah, we got some big ones out here. Alright, now here's what I wanted to get to is, alright, yesterday they did 5 water rescues. They had to rescue 5 people. Today, heed the warnings from the National Weather Service. Beach hazard statement. Small craft advisory. Rip current statement. Stay out of the water and leave your boats on dry land tied to the dock. Today's weather is deadly. Oak Island is red for high rip current risk with a strong north to south longshore current, 3 to 7 foot seas. Surf, whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, what I'm trying to say is the storm is still a long way away. All you guys on the coast, this is stuff that you got to be thinking about if you're near the water. Even thinking about getting in the water, just don't do it, guys. Alright. Guys, for all you that's going to be affected by the storm, my heart's prayers go out to all of you. We all need to be, saying a prayer for them that have already been affected. Their lives are not going to be the same. Who knows? For any of you that have family down there, I hope you get good news soon. It's rough. But speaking of that, after the disaster gets through and you have service, make sure that you let your family members put on Facebook that you're safe, all that. Because it's so hard when you're watching the news and you got a family member somewhere and, you don't know if they're alive, dead, if they're hurt, trapped, whatever. So, just however you got an access, when you do have an access, make sure it's one of the first things that you do. But once again, this is going to be a short video, but I wanted to say to each and every one of you, once again, thank you. I tried to answer a lot of you back and thank you, in chat, but I have got so many people making comments, and I just want to say on the comments, you guys, thank you so much. That means so much to me. I was scared to death even trying to get a channel going, and from a lot of your comments, it sounds like you gained some knowledge, so it's definitely been worthwhile. So, like I said, I appreciate y'all. Please, everybody, be safe, be smart, and help each other out. Positive thoughts. And I'll have another video out later. And let's keep our good energy going, that maybe this thing will go off the coast further for all of us and we can get back to our normal lives. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe.